This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Margie Chapman. Enjoy living in this end-unit spit-level open floor plan condo with the tranquility of a marsh view in your backyard. It has an oversized L-shaped one-car attached garage with room to set up a workshop. The body of water that adjoins this property is where Rudy Inlet ends and connects to the ocean. Not only are you just a short distance to the beach, but you have the Marshview Park that's also just few feet away. The amenities include updated bathrooms, wood-burning fireplace in the step-down living room, private fenced-in patio area with deck, a second and third floor back deck off the living room and primary bedroom, and a separate enclosed storage room that attaches to the back of the garage. No smoking or vaping allowed. Pets negotiable on a case-by-case basis. Minor repairs in progress. Available February 11, 2023. To apply, copy link https://townerealty.com/listings/details/241F94D920Z-E42019358BCF76-003 for more information. Review the details below or contact Margie Chapman at 757-428-0201.